Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Ome TV on Android. So first you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for Ome TV. Hit enter and here you can see Ome TV. Then you need to install this application. So I think that application is roughly about some MBs, that is yes 30 MB, and it will take few seconds to install, and after that you can access this, that is video chat alternative. And here you can see that this is the app that you can use. So once it is downloaded, I am going to show you the next process that you need to follow to get into the Ome TV. So it is not a too much difficult process that you need to follow. It's a basic process that you need to complete to sign up into the Ome TV that you can use later to chat with your friends, with your colleagues, and it is up to you how you want to use this application. So now you can see that it is completed installation, and after that you need to go and open this application. So click on open. So now you can see that this is the interface of the website, and I'm also using this application first time. So it is, wait for a few seconds here and see what happened next. So this is the next page where you can have two option: continue with Facebook, continue with this app. So I want to continue with Facebook. Click on that option and you simply need to give your Facebook account login details and click on continue. So this is the process how you can use Ome TV on Android. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.